In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. And finally, use this gear at the top left corner to manage all of those options. Check out Preview at the top and adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wanna apply it. Then go back and enjoy your animated wallpaper right away. If you want to make any changes, you can always go back to the same app and try something different, like one of those presets. Then apply it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!